I'm Doug Howe. I want to welcome you to the next Positive Gravity. Today I'm starting something new. I've got this interesting contraption here that I put together. It's birch, I believe, maybe maple, could be maple, and I think this is Bolivian rosewood, the dark wood. This is kind of a prototype for a rolling pin project, so I've got it all glued up, and the goal here is to turn kind of a French rolling pin out of that. So it'll be about 1 3/4 inches through the middle here and probably about 1 inch on the end. So I've got it all cut down. It's about 18 inches, fits into my lathe. So we're gonna go get this mounted up and start turning and see what we get. I don't know how it will come out. Just a concept, kind of a beta prototype, hoping to make some more if this comes out well. So let's get it on the lathe and get it turning. Don't forget, always enjoy the process. Always. Alright, so that's a wrap on this kind of prototype. A lot of imperfections. You can see the length of the highlighting wood is different. That by itself doesn't bother me too much. I need to work on these joints so I can make these better. It's really, really hard to turn something that's perfectly symmetrical. This one is not, but it's close. I like the wood, although I don't know if my tools weren't sharp enough or if I didn't have this tool rest set at, you know, the ideal height or something. I was really having a hard time getting a clean cut. I was getting a lot of chatter, so possibly this was flexing or moving a little bit. So I had to do a lot of sanding. In the end, because this has so many imperfections, I didn't bother trying to sand out every little mark. I left, you know, there's still some scratches in here. But this was just a practice run. Some of this wood, where it gets really thin, would start to chip out. So that's a challenge. So things really need to be like clinically smooth when you put these together and clamped perfectly, so that there's no gaps. But I don't know, not bad for a first try. I think it's usable. I like, this is Bolivian rosewood. I really like that. It's pretty. I like the pin concept. I don't know if you can see that there. So it kind of holds this end cap piece in. So yeah, there's a lot of kind of bells and whistles on this one with the highlighting wood and the end caps and the pins. So I tried a bunch of different things. Some of it worked, some of it I need practice on. In the end, I got a usable product, and this is going to go to my buddy Stu, who does a lot of baking, and he's my beta tester for rolling pins, so he can, you know, beat things with it and roll it and tell me if the size is good or whatnot. So yeah, not bad for a quick, I don't know, few hours. Churn this out. I just finished it with just mineral oil, so just a basic mineral oil finish. It's going to be rolling on food, so I figured that's a good bet. Yeah, so I'm happy with it, and I have another one that's prepared right here. So this one's a little different. This one is kind of the opposite. It's got walnut in the middle and whatever this lighter colored wood is. I think this is birch or maple, I'm not sure. Same thing on the ends. It's the same wood that went in here. So this one's a little bit different. It'll be interesting to see how the walnut does versus the other wood. It's also pinned, it's got the same design, it's just a different wood. So we'll do this one another day and see if it comes out any better than that one. Alright, thanks for joining me. If you like this project, feel free to leave a comment, and if you like this design, let me know that in a comment too, because I'm always looking for feedback on what directions to go with my project. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.